Reward apps that are worth testing should provide clear information about how rewards work, how users redeem them, and what conditions apply before payment is sent. By the end, you'll know how to spot reliable reward apps, what payment details to verify before spending time on an app, and which warning signs can help you avoid misleading platforms. The first thing to check with any reward app is whether the earning process is explained clearly. A reliable app should tell you what actions earn rewards, how those rewards are calculated, and how users can redeem them. Payment claims are another important detail. Screenshots and online reviews can be misleading because they do not always prove that an app works for every user. Check the app's official reward information and redemption rules instead of relying only on payment images. The second thing to check is the withdrawal process. A trustworthy reward app explains available payout methods, the steps required to request a reward, and any conditions that must be completed before receiving payment. You should also look at the app's history and user feedback. Reviews can show common problems, but focus on repeated patterns instead of one positive or negative comment. Look for users discussing the actual earning process, reward tracking, and customer support experience. Another important factor is the type of activities the app offers. Some reward apps pay users for completing surveys, playing games, shopping, testing products, or finishing other tasks. Choose apps where the activities match what you already enjoy doing. Privacy is also part of evaluating a reward app. Before signing up, review what information the app collects and what permissions it requests. Only provide information that is necessary for the service to work. A good testing method is to start with a small amount of time. Complete a few tasks, check whether rewards are tracked correctly, and see whether the redemption process is explained clearly before investing more effort. The best reward apps are usually the ones that are transparent about earning methods, payment options, and user requirements. Clear information matters more than flashy payment screenshots. Before choosing a reward app, check 3 things: how rewards are earned, how payouts work, and what information the app requires. These steps help you avoid wasting time on unreliable platforms. If this guide helped you find safer reward apps, subscribe for more practical reviews of money-making apps and online tools.